have you ever wondered how a character's flaws can actually enhance a story? In Sarah J. Maas's captivating Throne of Glass series, Aelin Galifianakis stands out as a heroine whose secretive nature plays a pivotal role in her journey. Before diving in, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button. Aelin's evolution from Adarlan's assassin to the rightful Queen of Terrasen is a tale filled with challenges and tough decisions for his children. Her journey is anything but straightforward as she navigates a world fraught with danger and betrayal. What makes Aelin relatable is her boldness and humor, which resonate with readers, yet her past has left her with trust issues, making her secretive, a trait that often frustrates both her friends and the audience. This complexity adds depth to her character, but it also raises eyebrows. And throughout the series, Aelin's clever strategies and unexpected plot twists keep readers on their toes. But her tendency to keep secrets can a double-edged sword with edged. While it adds an element of surprise, it also leads to criticism from those who wish she would be more open. Aelin's reluctance to share her plans stems from her traumatic past, particularly the loss of her friend Sam. This history makes her wary of trusting others, leading her to, shoulder burdens alone. While some may find this annoying, it undeniably fuels the suspense that makes the story engaging. The secrecy surrounding Aelin's plans creates thrilling plot twists that elevate the reading experience. If Maas had revealed Aelin's strategies too early, the story would lose its captivating edge. That the element of surprise is what keeps readers invested, making them eager to see how Aelin's secrets unfold. However, a balance between foreshadowing and revelation could enhance the narrative. While Maas expertly hints at Aelin's plans, these clues can be so subtle that they often go unnoticed. And striking the right balance is a challenge in fantasy writing, but it's essential for maintaining reader engagement. As Aelin's character develops over the set of novels, one might hope for a shift in her approach to trust, yet the thrill of unexpected twists is what makes Series of Glass. After all, who doesn't love a good surprise? And speaking of surprises, why did Aelin bring a ladder to the bar? Because she heard the drinks were on the house. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.